Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you post long video as Instagram Reels. To post a long video as Instagram Reels, you can watch this video right till the end. Make sure that the Instagram application is updated, and then you want to open up your Instagram application and log into your account. After which, you could simply go ahead and click on the plus icon from the bottom of the screen, and then you could go ahead and click on Reels from the bottom of the page once again. After which, what you could do is you could go ahead and then select a long video. So after which, this is how it's gonna look like. So click on the next button, and now you could actually go ahead and add or post a video that's up to 15 minutes long, or choose Reels to upload a vertical video up to 90 seconds long. If you're having some issue with the length, you could go ahead and make changes in the settings page. And that is how you could post long video as Instagram Reels. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video.